Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today we have another LG TV tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to install Paramount Plus on your LG Smart TV. First things first, let's press the home button on our remote control, and this will take us to our LG home screen. And what we want to do then, on the LG home screen, you want to come all the way to the top here and select the spyglass. This will allow us to search for applications. Then, once this loads, you want to search out for the application you want. In this case, we'll search for Paramount Plus. Then, you can select it from the drop down here. Then you want to come down and select the applications. And in this case, we'll select Paramount Plus. The application page will load. Then you want to simply select Install. And this will install the application. In this case, it's Paramount Plus. Then you can either press Launch, or you can press the Home button again, and this will take you to the LG home screen, where you'll find the applications across the bottom here, and they're normally added to the end. So let's scroll all the way to the end, and what you can do, you can press and hold on the application, and this will allow you to move the application, and you can move it to the beginning or the end. Or you can simply launch it from here. So that's how to install Paramount Plus on your LG Smart TV. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.